Thukuru-ini wa Mukiria Technical Institute gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia imenti ya gatagati kaunti-ini ya Meru mihango ya gutuma turembeko cia kuhumbira maniuru na tunua o undu umwe na mihango ya guthondeka thabuni na sanitizer ikoretwo igithii na mbere. Maya mokete riri mukana muhiu gathikirwo aria matari koragwo na turembeko tuu muingi-ini na kuona kuri andu matangihota kwigurira irembeko ici. Thukuru uyu ukinyitanira na ikundi cia andu kuma itura-ini ria Buthugushi na makiambiriria mubango uyu uri wa guteithia andu acio.
Tunatengeneza mask, pia tunatengeneza sanitizers na pia detergent ambazo zitatumika katika kuzuia kuenea kwa huu ugonjwa.
MCA wa itura riri Ayub Fudi uri okoretwo muharini wa mbere hari gukinyaniria mubango uyu augite ni njira imwe ya gukuria taranda iria iri itura-ini riri na uguo akahoya thirikari ya Meru imahure njeki handu ha gweterera o riria thirikari nene ikaheana turembeko kaunti-ini ino.
Ile pesa iko kwa sababu sahii hakuna kazi. Tuitoa huko juu ikuje mashinani, wale watu watafanya kazi, wafanye kazi watu wa area hii. Pia naomba county government ya Meru, sisi hatutaki kupewa mask, hatutaki kupewa sanitizer na hatutaki kupewa sabuni. Sisi tupewe Mukiria Technical Training Institute yandikiwe check.
Mwena-ini wao aria maratuma irembeko ici maugite ni makenereire guthondeka irembeko ici amu ni njira ya gucokia guoko kuri muingi.
Ni vema tushughulike njia mbadala ya ushonaji wa barakoa ili tuweze kusaidia wale wengine ambao wako nyumbani na wajiwezi.
Na kwa kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua mihango nota ino kuria thukuru cia kothi cia moko na ikundi cia andu itanyitwo guthondeka makiria ma irembeko 400,000 iria igukorwo igikinyirio muingi wa kaunti ino na bei ya ciringi 30 na iria ingi ikiheanwo kuri aria matehotete.
Those who are very poor, who cannot afford the masks, we support them with the masks. We are also urging those in the private sector, the mamas and the ladies who are trained, who have sewing machines at home, who may want to join us in the polytechnic because we like the masks to be produced from one source, to bring their machines here. We will pay them, we will contract them, and we will pay them for the production of masks.
Turembeko tutu tukoretwo tugithondekwo kurumirira mitaratara iria yendekithitio ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri na ruhonge rwa guthurima wagiriru guku bururi-ini kuria makoretwo magithondeka irembeko 3,000 muthenya.
Then possibly in the next 2 weeks. And ultimately, we want to see that each person has about 1 or 2 masks. That's why we are selling them at a very low price, 30 shillings per mask. Ultimately, I know they will drop 20 shillings. Those who cannot afford, as I have said, will support them with the free masks.
Ishaini ikuhe gavana wa Nyandarua Francis Kimemia niaheanite irembeko 5,000 thoko-ini itiganite icukiro-ini cia bathi na kuri andu aria matehotete icigo-ini cia ubunge cia Ndaragwa, Gorika na Kinangofu. Gerifotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Muringi wa Gure.